Dakop sa ginibog drug bypass operation.
Triple o apat na doble ang bihikulo na gruso sa siyudad kang NAGA.
Mas complain ng police station kang NAGA City Police Office.
Newsbreak.
Diyos marhay na hapon, ako po si Cristina Alcanzo Reyes, uya ang bareta sa oras na ini. Malinaw si naging direktiba ni Camarines Sur Police Provincial Office Police Colonel Julio Cesar Domingo dapit sa deployment ka mga police personnel hali sa mga municipal police station. Susug kay Police Major Maria Victoria Abalaing, kabali sa tatawan prioridad kang presensya kan mga pulis, iyo mga matatawong lugar kan lambang banwaan.
It is clearly given ng ating provincial director kung ano yung talagang gusto ng ating regional director na yung police presence ma-maximize yung mga lalo na yung mga places of convergence na kailangan talaga ng mga police assistance. So lalong-lalo na ngayon na in celebration nga dito sa Kaugma. So napaka-importante po nung ating mga kapulisan dyan in case na may mga kailangan ng mga police assistance na andyan po kaagad yung ating kapulisan para magresponde.
Padagos sa mga bareta. Seminar na mataunin oportunidad sa mga graduate kang NAGA College Foundation na makapagtrabaho sa nasyon kan Japan, pinagkukundisir na. Ang detalye sa report ni Campus Correspondent Mary France Lanuzo.
Sarong marahin na bareta para sa mga estudyante kan NCF College of Business Management as in College of Health Sciences ang inihatod kan Lead Training and Business Solutions sa duwang makabuluhang aldaw na orientation seminar. Tinukduig di ang Nihongo Scholarship Grant as in Career Development Orientation for Nursing Care. Obheto kan seminar ang magayon na offer kan lead para sa mga estudyante kan CBM as in CHS.
Activity today is an orientation event with lead for Japan internship. So we would want to give our students the opportunity to experience internship abroad, and for our graduates, if they are also interested, to have the opportunity to work abroad, specifically in Japan.
Sigun kay Jomar Aguirre, miyembro kang lead, bukas na oportunidad para sa mga estudyanteng gustong mahasa ang kakayahan sa bansang Japan.
Yung opportunity natin for Japan is not open to all universities or colleges. This is a good opportunity here at NCF kasi they have this chance, yung students po natin who have this an international exposure, and then right after they finish their cultural immersion in Japan, they have the chance for a career, if in any case in the future they would like to venture opportunity under the hospitality category.
Presente man ang duwang estudyante kan CNA na sinda Ador Francis Jacob asin Ina Esmelia. Excited asin labi ang kaugmahan ta may mabukas na arog kay ning oportunidad sa inda.
I expect to learn company value and goal and understand my role and responsibilities po.
So seminar na to, syempre yung mga opportunities as I've mentioned, and kung ano pa yung pwede namin i-improve moving towards to the future, lalo na ngayon nag-open ang Japan for more opportunities for us, lalo na sa nursing care.
From classroom to career, an makapagtaon nin tulos asin marhay na trabaho an obheto kan job placement programs na ini kan NAGA College Foundation. Saro sana sa manlain-lain na lakdang na ginigibo kan NCF tanganing an sa indang mga graduates, tulos makapaglip into the future. Para sa One Media TV 48 NAGA, Franz Lanuzo, Newsbreak.
Yan ang mga bareta sa aldaw na ini. Padagos na magantabay sa One Media TV 48 NAGA para sa iba pang mga bareta. Ako po si Cristina Alcanzo Reyes, mabalos ng sa indong magantabay.
Dakop sa ginibog drug bypass operation.
Triple o apat na doble ang bihikulo na gruso sa siyudad kang NAGA.
Mas complain ng police station kang NAGA City Police Office.
Newsbreak.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Slip life vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
Life at home is better with Unlimited.
Unlimited fiber all day, day, day. Unlimited entertainment all the way. Unlimited goals for the family. Unlimited care so the fams all
Enjoy all these for just 1,399 pesos.
have it all, have it all.
Get the PLDT Home Fiber Unli All 1399 today.
Apply now and have it all, have it all.
Converge is a world-class ICT company with the most resilient and superior fiber optic service in the Philippines that continues to delight millions of its users in the consumer space while serving a growing number of business clients in the SME, enterprise, and wholesale segment. Converge Business. Strength. Resiliency. Results.
Hello, NCF!
Welcome to the NAGA College Foundation Incorporated.
Where academic excellence meets limitless opportunities. Welcome to the home of the champions. Join us as we leap into the future. NCF is committed to providing state-of-the-art facilities to nurture the next generation of professionals.
Our first-class facilities are designed to empower our students and equip them with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in their chosen field.
Here at NCF Wings, you are a step closer to your dream of becoming a flight attendant.
This is the first cabin crew training in Bicol. But at the heart of it all is the newly constructed College of Criminal Justice Education building.
The NAGA College Foundation Incorporated is one of the 10 schools in the Philippines recognized by the Commission on Higher Education as the Center of Development in Criminology. Our classrooms are designed to facilitate interactive learning,
Strategically designed to support collaborative discussion and critical thinking. This building is home to Bicol's first world-class indoor firing range,
which provides our students first-hand training in ensuring that they are proficient in firearm safety and marksmanship.
from crime scene simulation laboratories to forensic science facilities.
NCF CCJE has a wide range of specialized resources to prepare its students for various career opportunities in criminal justice.
Unlock your potential today. Join us as we leap into the future.
Join the NAGA College Foundation College of Criminal Justice Education.